The oxidized rebar has really busted everything open along here, and also the paint's been worn off. The efflorescent salt deposit chewed into the vertical wall of the foundation, causing this spalling. Then there's also a vertical break that comes down here, but that oxidation of the reinforcement steel, the steel is in behind there. It's a 1/2 inch the size of my finger, and it expands up to 5 times its size in diameter, causing these horizontal breaks around stem wall foundations. And what causes it is moisture is getting in, activating the steel. It takes oxygen, moisture, and steel to create a low voltage electricity that will expand steel, causing it to scald itself as it grows, and basically peeling itself off and breaking out the weakest side of this foundation, because there is a 4-inch floor on the interior side, so it's much easier to break on the outside. And that's what we're seeing here. So the repair is going to be from the water spigot all the way over here to this corner. I do want you to notice that these vertical breaks are saying that the foundation is settled. There's another break there, another break there. So on interior floors, it can heave interior floors up, causing floor heave cracks on the interior floor. Also drywall cracking at doorways, windows, and thresholds. Over here it still looks okay. I didn't go into the backyard. For more information, contact James at 602-418-2970, or you can always go to concreterepairman.com for more information. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.